guys, and thank you so much for joining me for another week of What's for Dinner. My name is Stephanie. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. I've got some really good recipes for you guys this week. All of them were super simple and super delicious, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so the first recipe that I made this week was Instant Pot Chicken Cacciatore. Holy cow, you guys. Or should I say holy chicken. It was so good. Oh my gosh, I loved it. Everybody agreed it was so delicious, and the leftovers were fabulous as well. This was super easy and extremely quick to throw together, and I'll show you guys how I did it. Alright, so the first thing I did was I sauteed my chicken. Usually, I know you don't have to, but I feel like when chicken is sauteed, it doesn't release as much liquid into your sauce. And I'm already going to be rinsing out my jarred sauce with like a ½ cup water, so I think it'll be liquidy enough without having all the weird chicken liquid in there. So that's why I did that. So I'm just going to add everything in here. I have 6 cloves of garlic, you guys. Put on my little recipe thing on the side, or my ingredients list on the side. Definitely don't have to do that. I'm just a super garlic person, but don't, your kitchen, your rules, you do whatever you want. So I'm going to pop the top on this and set it to manual pressure for 3 minutes. And then I'm going to let it rest and come down a little bit for 4 minutes. Then I'm going to hit the little thingamabob there at the top and release all the steam. Give it a stir and it's done. So I just served this over buttered pasta noodles in a big bowl with a ton of Parmesan cheese on top. You guys, I am always so shocked at how awesome the Instant Pot is, and I do not use it enough. I really have to make a conscious effort to use this more often, because every time I use it, the food is just fabulous. Alright, so for dinner tonight, we had a creamy chicken Marsala soup, I'm gonna call it, I guess. This is really in honor of my sister. She loves chicken Marsala and loves orzo, so I made it into a soup because it's freezing outside, and I just love any excuse to use this mushroom stock. If you can find it, definitely use it, please. It's so good. But either way, this soup was pretty easy to throw together and didn't take that much time, so I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So I have my mushrooms in super big pieces because, first of all, I don't like mushrooms. I just like the flavor of them. It's a texture thing for me. So I left them sliced really big so that I can pull them out of my soup later. But if you're normal and don't have to pick through your food as an adult, you can definitely make them smaller. But I'm just, scraping up the brown bits off the bottom of the pan and sauteing down everything. And I'm adding my garlic a little bit later, again, so I don't burn it, which I tell you guys all the time. I have a secret fear of burning garlic. Of course, again, like I said before, I used a lot of garlic in here. You definitely don't have to use all that. You don't have to use any of it. But yeah, so I just wanted to tell you those 2 little tidbits, and I'll just keep on cooking. So once the orzo was done cooking, I went ahead and sliced up my leftover chicken and put it in the soup. You can also use rotisserie chicken, or you can cook chicken, in the pot first before you cook everything else. But I just think that pre-cooked chicken makes soup so much easier. Alright, so this is what we have. It is so good. This took about 30 minutes to throw together. If you want the soup to be thicker, you can definitely cook it down more, but I don't know. I like the soup the way it was. Everything, all the flavors were just magnificent. It was amazing. Just so much mushroom flavor, and I don't know. It was really good. It was like a mushroom bomb in your mouth. But if you don't like the texture like me, you can definitely just, like I said, keep them bigger pieces. I'm the only one that hates mushrooms like that, so it was easy to pawn them off on everybody else. But yeah, that was the delicious creamy chicken marsala soup. So tonight for dinner, I made barbecue beef sandwiches in the slow cooker, and I made some corn with that and some ranch slaw. This slaw is so super easy, you guys are gonna love it. Actually, this whole meal was easy, so I'm gonna show you how I made it. So I, of course, sprayed my slow cooker with nonstick spray, and I'm putting my beef in there and my seasoning. I'm also gonna add the barbecue sauce. So I said 2 cups because I put about 1.5 cups when it's cooking, and then I finish it after I've shredded up the beef. I put in another 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce just to liven it up a little bit. But you can use as much or as little as you want, you just don't want the sauce to burn. Okay, so get ready for the quickest coleslaw you ever seen. So I put my coleslaw mix in the bowl. I threw my peppers and my onions in there. I wasn't gonna put peppers in it. I just decided last second, because I don't usually put peppers in it. I just decided last second, I'm like, that would make a good addition. And I had some left over from the chicken cacciatore night. So yeah, I just mix everything together with ranch. This is a personal preference thing. I don't like things to be super soaked, but it is coleslaw and you do want to have the dressing all around it. So I just suggested about 1 cup. Alright, does this not look delicious and super cute on the Pioneer Woman plates? I love her stuff. But either way, these sandwiches were fabulous. I put a little bit of shredded cheese on mine, and I'm having also some pickles with it, because I don't know about you guys, but barbecue and pickles always goes together in my book. That slaw is just so good, guys. It's like refreshing and crunchy and delicious, and I ended up putting it on my sandwich, which was even better. Like, oh, so good. Love this meal, and it was so simple. Very minimal ingredients and minimal time spent in the kitchen. Definitely my kind of meal. So this night we went out to one of our favorite Asian restaurants. We love, well, mostly me and my sister, but we drag everybody else along with us. We love Asian food. So those were a bunch of different kind of dumplings. We got some lo mein and some sesame chicken and some fried rice, and everything was fabulous. Alright guys, that's it for me this week. I hope you guys got some dinner inspiration off of here. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and definitely don't forget to subscribe for more. If anybody has good Instant Pot recipes or ideas, let me know. I definitely want to start using it more. I'm still floored that it only took like 7 minutes to make that amazing chicken cacciatore. Like, I'm never gonna get over that. But anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed and awesome weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!